Hey Elevated crew, today we will be going through our second video of our cryptocurrency shorts, how to install the Metamask wallet on your browser. Enjoy! Now that we've gone through how to install the Metamask wallet on your iPhone or mobile device, we will walk through how to install Metamask on your browser. Step 1, simply go to Metamask's website, metamask.io, select download, and at the bottom, select Install Metamask for Brave, Chrome, or whatever your browser may be. Metamask is actually an extension on your browser that'll show up under this little tools bar. Therefore, you do download it through the Chrome Web Store. Next step, add to Brave. And it'll take a few seconds to download here at the bottom. Once the download is complete, select Get Started, and they will ask if you would like to import an existing wallet or create a new one. For those of you who created a MetaMask wallet on your iPhone, you can import that same wallet using your secret recovery phrase here. For those of you who have not downloaded the MetaMask wallet on your iPhone, we will walk through how to create a wallet on your desktop. Simply agree to share data with MetaMask and create a password for your wallet. Please note that this is a MetaMask password and not your secret recovery phrase. For those of you who are unfamiliar with your secret recovery phrase, MetaMask does have a little video here going over it. And once you progress to the next page, they will actually give you your secret words for your MetaMask recovery phrase. After jotting that down, I would recommend storing that in a safe place, like a safe or a locked note on your iPhone or MacBook, and they will then take you to your home screen. As I mentioned earlier, MetaMask is an extension, so up here at your tool, you have a little MetaMask option. That gives you a quick snapshot at your Ethereum wallet. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please give us a follow, subscribe, or tip on our socials at ElevatedXR. Thanks, and see you next time.